Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is your Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how you can create professional mannequin shots for your e-commerce website or e-commerce site. Now I know how important it is, creating a mannequin image. Before the day and age of AI, like before 5 to 6 years, you would have to hire a professional photo editor and also provide him with your dresses or maybe image of your dresses, and then he will take some time and then give you a mannequin shot. But it is a really time-consuming process and also is really expensive process. But now it's a day and age of AI, and within a few clicks you can create professional mannequin shots just like this one with the help of Wearview. So let's learn how you can just do that. First, what I want you guys to do is go ahead and visit wearview.co. Once you go there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. It takes less than 10 seconds if you choose Google. Now click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, you will be greeted with the services that are provided by Wearview. First is AI Try-On Studio. Second is AI Product to Model. But we are interested in, Ghost Mannequin or professional mannequin shots. So we'll click on the Ghost Mannequin, feature of Wearview. Once you click on the Ghost Mannequin image or Ghost Mannequin feature or option of Wearview, you will have to upload the front view as well as the back view of your dress or of your garment. If you have a back view, like the front view is, of course, it is really compulsory, but if you don't have a back view, it's okay. But for the best result, make sure you have a back view of your dress as well. For me, I have this jacket, beautiful jacket. Now, you can also type in anything that you think the AI should know. For example, tell the AI what's hard to see in the photo. Good notes guide a better output. Inaccurate ones can hurt it. So if you are not sure about what to type here, please ignore. But if you know what to type, like for example, it says fabric, true color fit, or details that aren't clear in the photo. So that's an optional feature, but for this video, I'll just skip it and click on the next button. Now select the quality. If you're really serious about your business and you want the best of the best, you won't cut it. You just need the best of the best. Then of course, 4K is hands down your best option. But for this video, I'll choose recommended one as it is recommended by Wearview, and you will see how good the quality is even in 2K. So I'll choose 2K, and for aspect ratio, I'll choose 4:3. If you want, you can also choose a square aspect ratio, a vertical one, or maybe a horizontal one. It depends on your needs and also depends on what you want. But for me, I'll choose 4:3 and click on the generate button. Now this will take around 30 to 40 seconds depending on your dress or complexity of your dress, but I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll just resume the video once the image has been generated successfully. So I'll see you on the other side. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have the front view as well as the back view of the mannequin. It's a professional mannequin shots, as you can see, from creating from a 2D image or from just a layout image of your dress to creating mannequin images. This is so easy. You just saw how easy it is. Just I did a few clicks and there you have it. Such a high quality, professional mannequin image created right in front of you with just a few clicks. And if you see some kind of artifacts, maybe if you want to get rid of some artifacts that you got from your image, then click on the refine button and then go ahead and type in whatever you want. Mostly if you have some distraction, then you just need to type remove background distraction, or if you want a clean white background, enhance color, sharpen fabric texture, stuff like that. Your creativity is the limit here. But as you can see, guys, you can clearly create professional mannequin shots with just a few clicks by using a Wearview. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you create professional mannequin shots for your e-commerce platform or e-commerce. And this is your Victor signing out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you have any queries or if you have any doubts or any feature requests, please let us know in the comment box down below. This is Victor signing out. Have a great day. I said this twice. I'll see you in the next video. I even said that twice.